Hi guys, it's me once again, and this is a very quick vlog on how to have your documents apostilled via Saudi Post. This is very informal video because a lot of you are asking me because some Ministry of Foreign Affairs offices in provinces away from Riyadh and Jeddah do not apostille police clearance. Now, what you're going to do is avail the services of Saudi Post. So as you can see, if you book a MOFA appointment, you will see if you will do it by branch or by Saudi Post. This time, you'll have to do it by Saudi Post. Now that your documents are stamped or authenticated already with the green sticker, now you bring it to the Saudi Post. And then ask them to have your documents be delivered to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Yes, exactly, they have this kind of service and you have to avail it. So if you're living in Western region or Northern region or Southern region of Saudi Arabia, you will still have to do the apostille in Riyadh. You have to pay the shipment fee, and also, other than that, you have to wait for at least 2 weeks before your documents are delivered back to you. That's how you do the Saudi Post. With regards to the payment and on how to process your Saudi police clearance, I have different vlogs on that. You can check my videos, and then if you cannot go or visit Jeddah or Riyadh Ministry of Foreign Affairs for the apostille of documents, you can do the Saudi Post, or you can also do the embassy and the consulate final authentication. That would be all, guys. I hope you learned something new from me. This is very quick, just to help those expats who are living away from Jeddah and Riyadh. So don't forget to hit subscribe and also share my video to your friends so that you can also help them obtain their Saudi police clearance with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs authentication and apostille. Thank you, guys.